Want to compare two folders in PowerShell? Maybe you are looking for missing files, duplicates, or changes between versions. Well, you are in the right place. In this tutorial, I will walk you through 4 different methods to compare folders using PowerShell. Here is a quick look at the 4 methods we will cover. 1. Using compare object. Great for checking file names and detecting missing files. 2. Using getFileHash. Best for finding files that have changed content even if the names match. 3. Using the fc command, a built-in tool for comparing text-based files. 4. Using WinMerge, a free tool for visual side-by-side folder comparison. Alright, now that you have the big picture, let's dive into the first method. First up, we have compare object, a built-in PowerShell command that quickly identifies differences between two folders. Let's say we have two folders, folder A and folder B. To compare their contents, run this command. Compare-object, open parenthesis, get-child item, space, single quote, path to folder A, single quote, close parenthesis, space, open parenthesis, get-child item, space, single quote, path to folder B, single quote, close parenthesis, space, hyphen property name. This checks for differences in file names. Now let's break down the results. If you see a less than equals symbol, it means the file is in folder A, but missing from folder B. If you see an equals greater than symbol, it means the file is in folder B, but missing from folder A. Pretty simple, right? But what if you only want to list missing files from folder A? You can refine the command like this. Compare-object, open parenthesis, get-child item, space, single quote, path to folder A, single quote, close parenthesis, open parenthesis, get-child item, space, single quote, path to folder B, single quote, close parenthesis, hyphen property name, pipe symbol, where hyphen object, space, open curly brace, dollar, underscore, dot, side indicator, space, hyphen EQ, space, single quote, less than equals, single quote, close curly brace. This filters out everything except missing files. So if you just need to check for missing or extra files, compare object is a quick and easy solution. But what if a file exists in both folders but has different content? That's where our next method comes in. If you need to check if files have changed, even if the names match, you will want to use file hashing. A file hash is like a fingerprint. If two files have the same hash, they are identical. If they have different hashes, it means something has changed inside the file. Here is how to compare file hashes in PowerShell. $folder A equals, space, get-child item, space, single quote, path to folder A, single quote, space, pipe symbol, space, get-file hash, $folder B equals, space, get-child item, space, single quote, path to folder B, single quote, space, pipe symbol, space, get-file hash, compare-object, space, $folder A, space, $folder B, space, hyphen property hash, comma, path. This command scans both folders, generates a hash for each file, and compares them. If a file appears in both folders but has different hashes, it means the file was modified. To filter out unchanged files and see only modified ones, use where-object, space, open curly brace, $, dot, side indicator, space, hyphen nay, space, double equals, close curly brace. So if you need a deep file comparison, getFileHash is the way to go. Now let's move on to a method that works great for text-based files. Windows also has a built-in tool called fc or file compare. This is handy if you need to compare text files inside two folders. To compare two specific text files, run fc, space, path to folder A /file1.txt, space, path to folder B /file1.txt. This will show differences line by line. Want to compare all text files in two folders at once? Use this command, fc, space, /l, space, path to folder A backslash asterisk, space, path to folder B backslash asterisk. This will scan all text files in folder A and folder B, showing differences in their content. If you are working with lots of text-based files, FC is a simple and effective method. But if you prefer a visual side-by-side comparison, check out our last method. If you want a graphical tool to compare folders and files, WinMerge is a great choice. With WinMerge you can see file differences side by side, highlight changed content in color, merge files easily with a single click. To launch WinMerge from PowerShell, use start-process, space, single quote, c:\program files /winmerge/winmergeu.exe, single quote, space, -argument list, space, double quote, path to folder A, double quote, space, double quote, path to folder B, double quote. This opens folder A and folder B in WinMerge so you can visually inspect the differences. If you prefer a hands-on approach with clear visual highlights, WinMerge is your best bet. Alright, let's quickly recap the 4 ways to compare folders in PowerShell. 1. Use compare object for a quick file name comparison. 2. Use getFileHash for a deep comparison, based on file content. 3. Use FC to check for text differences. 4. Use WinMerge for an easy-to-use visual comparison. So which one should you use? If you only need to check for missing or extra files, compare object is the fastest. If you want to check file integrity, getFileHash is the best choice. If you work with text-based files, FC gets the job done. And if you prefer a visual tool, WinMerge is the easiest to use. Pick the method that fits your needs. And that's it. Now you know how to compare folders like a pro in PowerShell. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more PowerShell tips and tricks.